Just referee just checking for the final preparation. Yes, we have just kicked off now. Opportunity here to take the early lead in this contest for CISF. Here he comes, the corner. Takes a shot, gets a deflection, but it's another penalty corner. The ball was dangerous there. Maybe it will be Amit Rohidas who will be the track flicker for railway team. Amit Rohidas is getting ready. Yes, it's Amit Rohidas. Gets a drag flick, but they are asking for appealing for a second penalty corner. It came off the foot of the end-to-end stuff here from both teams. Some wonderful skill shown there with his stick. Opportunity for Railways. Can he get a shot in? Yes, he can. That's 1-0 for Railways. Brilliant shot and brilliant goal. It was all about the finish. What a brilliant finish. Goalkeeper tried to stop it but couldn't quite prevent it. Hockey stick. Can they equalize now? It's another penalty corner. Amit Rohidas with the block. Another opportunity for CISF to get the equalizer. Can they make it count? No. Wonderful. It's a save, combination of save and a block. Rahim might be taking this one, or Pardeep Singh. It's 28. Jasjit Kullar. Looks like. No, it's not Jasjit Kullar. Wow, brilliant. Brilliantly taken there. What a brilliant drag flick. It's 2-0 for Railways. Just showing his class there. The drag flicker of Railways. His skills brilliantly from his hockey stick. And Railway counter here. It's Yuvraj Valmiki. Still Railway has opportunity. Catch a shot. But it's goal for Railways. It's Pardeep Singh with his second goal of the game. Brilliantly taken. It was saved for the first time. Goalkeeper saved and it was deflected. And Pardeep Singh, he was the man who was quick into that deflection and hit it into the back of. You are watching this live stream powered by Sports KPI. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to get more updates on hockey and other sports. Another opportunity for Railways. And it's a goal. Brilliant reverse flick. Brilliant hit. It was a world-class hit by Railway attacker and another. It's Yuvraj Valmiki this time with that brilliant technique. Senior National Man Departmental Championship. Once again, Railway on the attack. One-on-one with the goalkeeper. Can he make it count? But no, Inter-Departmental Championship. This opportunity for Railways. Can they make it count? It's wide. Another opportunity. It's going to be number 22. I think there are two or three track flickers lining up. Yuvraj Singh is one. It's number 18, I guess. Gets a shot. Brilliantly saved by the goalkeeper. Railway players taking the time. We are ready for the penalty corner. It's Yuvraj with the shot. Really well defended by the blocker. And now chance for Railway to get the fifth goal. Yuvraj Valmiki gets a wow, brilliant finish. And it's fifth goal for Railways. Emphatic finish once again. Brilliant deflection from that cross from Yuvraj Valmiki. No chance for the goalkeeper. And it's the final whistle. Railway have won this match by 5 goals to 0 against CISF in this first semi-final. full-time railway